Hello, my name is Manuela Albir, and I'm the Operations Manager for Drawp for School. I'm here to show you a quick demo of our app, Drawp for School. So first, let me begin with a little information on our app. We are a creation tool with a built-in collaboration platform. We are available on any device. So I'm showing you this demo on an iPad, but you can just as easily use it on an Android tablet, on a Chromebook, on a PC, on a MacBook, on a Windows tablet. We actually come pre-installed in all Nexus tablets that are sold to schools. Also, Google recommended us top 6 for K2 and then top 11 for K12. We're cloud-based, so students can pick up any device and they can log in using their credentials, not an email. We don't require any email. So these credentials, you pick for them or you let us generate for them. So either way, they log in and they'll see their class dashboard. So once they pick a class, they can either start from scratch. We have over 200 panes to choose from. We have highlighting tools, which are particularly useful for reading passages and highlighting vocabulary words. They also have access to Google Drive and Dropbox. So any file that you want them to access via Google Drive or Dropbox, they can do that. Or they can work on assignments that have been pushed out by the teacher. In this case, we have the diagram of the plant cycle and then an empty one to be filled out. So students can either use their fingers to fill them out, or they have text. Just like an iPhone, you would pinch your fingers together to size it to the appropriate size. They also have access to the camera roll. So if we click on the camera, they can either pick an image that they have. Oops, there we go. They can either pick an image that they have saved, or they can take a live picture of whatever they're looking at. And our most popular feature is something called the voice sticker. So I'll show you how that works. I'll place it anywhere on the canvas, and then I'll say, the seed is the first step in the plant cycle. So because my iPad is connected to my computer, so I can do this demo for you, you won't be able to hear a playback. But if it were disconnected, you would hear the playback of what I just said. Both students and teachers have an unlimited number of these voice stickers. So students can leave a voice sticker for each box. Also, teachers love to leave voice instructions using these voice stickers. So everything I've just covered here that a student can do, a teacher can do as well. Any physical worksheet that she has, she can just use her camera icon, take a picture of the physical worksheet, and then push it out to her students. Similarly, any PDF or any image from Google Drive or Dropbox, she can access this through Drawp and then send it out to her students. We also have a community site where if you're a subscriber to Drawp and you have an account with us, then you would have access to all of our content as well. So we have developed our own content, but we have also partnered with Guru Learning. Guru Learning has over 1 million online resources that you have access to. So in our community site, you would go and pick the lesson plans that you'd like. You can filter, through Common Core aligned or any state specification or any subject specification, and add them directly to an assignment, to a class. Just save it in your gallery. So teachers have access to all of this using Drawp. Okay, so back to the demo. Once a student is done working on his assignment, he could click share, and then he can either swipe to the teacher, swipe to individual students, to the entire class. The students can also save directly to the class Google Drive and Dropbox, or send it to a family member if this family icon were enabled. If it were enabled, then the student would be able to share, and then a parent would receive an email with the child's work. So the reason why I think that Drawp is so useful in a classroom setting is because it actually promotes collaboration. Let's say Jed, this student here, swipes and shares with Lucy, and then Lucy fills in box number 2, and then Lucy swipes and shares with David, and then he fills in box number 3. Not only does the teacher see the final product, but she sees exactly who did what. She sees exactly who is responsible for what part of the group project. This is a very powerful thing in group projects. The teacher also sees everything else. There's complete transparency when it comes to the teacher. So if a student starts an assignment and then doesn't finish it, if a student deletes something, she sees it too. It doesn't happen often, but sometimes students will write something inappropriate or send something inappropriate, and then they think that if they delete it, the teacher won't see it. That's not the case. The teacher will see anything and everything. So, one last thing I wanted to mention is that so everything is stored in our own private cloud, and everyone has a digital portfolio where they have access to the things that they have worked on. But like I said, if you'd like to also export it either to Google Drive or Dropbox or save it to the iPad device, you can do that too. We offer complimentary class setup and professional development. So if you are interested in starting a pilot with us and giving us a try, please let me know because we would set up all of your accounts. We add your students, train your teachers. So by the time the 30 days or the 60 days start, you're all set to go and you know how to use it and you don't waste days setting it up. So again, thank you so much for your time and for your consideration. If you are interested, please reach out at Manuela at moondropapps.com. It's Manuela, M-A-N as in Nancy, U-E-L-A, at moondropapps.com. Okay, thank you.